Hi, this is a quick video about replacing the battery backup in a Yaesu DMU-2000 data management unit. As well as the front on-off switch, which you use in conjunction with your rig on a daily basis, the DMU-2000 has a rear mains on-off switch, and this is the one I use because I'm not using the rig daily. But if the internal battery has aged and gone flat, you lose the date and time settings on your data management unit. So here you can see we've gone back to December 2005. The time's wrong as well, and this means your global map and grey line is also wrong. So the battery needs changing. So to access the DMU unit, it's just a case of undoing these 5 screws on both sides, and then the top just slides off. And here's 2 shots of the unit showing both sides. And I've bought a good quality replacement battery, so this should last a long time, and the internal battery just sits behind this screen panel there. Now you can't remove this panel, but you can loosen it by undoing these 4 screws. There's 2 on each side, and that just gives you enough flexibility to move the panel around and access the battery. So you can see here it's loose, but you can't get it out because of the other panels in the unit. And you can just see the battery case there. And looking down an access hole on the side of the panel, you can see the battery held in its black case. So using the vent holes above the battery and a small screwdriver, I was able to pop the edge of the battery up and then grab it with some long nose pliers to remove. And so I didn't short the new battery when I was putting it back in. I've insulated my pliers with some electrician's tape. And although I've been doing the work from the right hand side, this is the top view, and I couldn't hold the camera, but I managed to get my finger in there and just push that battery down into position. And reassembly is just tightening the 4 screws on the screening unit, sliding on the case and attaching the screws each side. And then it's just a case of powering up the unit and resetting the settings from 2005 here to 2021, which is the current date. And then we're back to normal. So now it'll keep these settings when it's fully powered off.